Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is our March Birchbox opening. So let's have I haven't looked inside this box. So I'm going to get a surprise at the same time as you. Ooh. Obviously for Women's Day yesterday. Yeah, I'm filming this on Monday the 9th. I love the box. I always love the boxes actually. I've got them on my windowsill. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to use them all for, but I've got them. Right, so we're going to put that aside because we don't want to read the card first. Okay, I'm going to pull things out one at a time. And I've just knocked my pen to the ground, but hey ho. What is this? Wing Woman. Ooh, a liquid eyeliner. Now, I'm not going to open this because I don't use liquid eyeliner. I can't do it. I've got very hooded lids, so I just don't do liquid liner. But this will go to someone who can use it because I won't have it wasted. What else have we got? Ooh. What's this? What's this? Blow dry lotion. Oh. Helps deliver weightless thermal protection and smooth long lasting style support while maintaining equilibrium on this season's 6-inch heels. Distribute evenly through damp hair and blow dry as directed. Let's have a sniff. Oh, it smells quite nice. It actually smells like a typical hairdresser's item. Does that make sense? I'm sure most of you'll know what I'm talking about. Well, give that a wee go. Balance Me Vitamin C Repair Serum. See, all these wee minis are going to be great for me for going to the States. Our award-winning Zingy Gel Serum reduces pigmentation and uneven skin tone while boosting hydration, elasticity and texture. Smooth serum onto cleansed face, neck and neck using gentle upward strokes. So I think that sort of thing would be good for actually on the plane because you will get so dehydrated. Oh, it's like pure lemon. It's delicious. Absolutely delicious. What is this? Forgive Me Susie, I think it says. Oh yeah, Forgive Me Susie. It's a liquid eyeshadow. Now I won't use that because I just don't use them. I use powder or I use a crayon, but I don't use these. But it is lovely. The colour is beautiful. It's like a rose gold. And this is also, oh, it's upside down, vegan friendly and animal cruelty free. So that's good. This is called Love Letter, this shade, and it's a beautiful shade. It's like pure rose gold. It's lovely. Exfoliating dual texture scrubber. Gentle, mild and vigorous. Kinda comes across like an oxymoron, doesn't it? Perfect for travel and for all skin types. You believe that? Oh, you know, it's control. I'm going to put this so that you can read it as well, so I don't have to get it out to you. You weren't inspiring it. Just pause it because I'm not going to keep it under the camera too long. Okay. So that I'm definitely going to use. And I think, oh no, I'll not manage to keep that bag, I don't think. If I can manage to keep the bag, I'll keep it in there for travelling. Replace me when the writing fades. Oh, so you can keep it in the wee bag. Alright, look. Revolutionary patent pending smart technology. Writing on the label fades when it's time to replace your scrubber. The label's sewn into the product. That is cool. Now that's a really good thing. Okay, that's a definite yes for me. Haven't even tried it yet, but what is this? Make every day more luxurious with 20% off Elizabeth Scarlett. Probably not something I would use, but if you're interested, use code Birchbox20 for 20% off at elizabethscarlett.com. I will have a look, but I don't think I'll use any. I don't think I'll buy any or use the code, so if it's any good to anyone, there it is. And that is our box for this month. It's not the best box, but it's not the worst. And I will use the stuff in it apart from the eyeshadow and the eyeliner, but they can go to good homes, that's not a problem. I'm really looking forward to this serum. I think this is going to be amazing for on the plane. I'm going to give it a wee go when I come out the shower today and see what it's like. But I think I'm going to keep this in my wee bag for on the plane. So that is our March Birchbox. Did you get your Birchbox? Did you buy one? Have you ordered one yet? Let me know. If you ordered this one, are you happy with it? Do you wish you hadn't ordered it? Do you wish you took a break? Start a conversation down below. Thank you for watching, everybody. See you next month. Bye.